Hello, welcome to Code It. It's Prof together with my team, Code It at Erictronix. In these tutorials, we will be looking at being computer fluent and the basics of computers, during which we will look at computer software and hardware. Now, every episode of this tutorial series is as important as every line of code you will write. I will encourage you to pay attention to each of them. Let's get started. Being computer fluent or literate means being familiar enough with computers that you understand their capabilities and limitations and also know how to use them. Being computer fluent also means more than just knowing about the parts of a computer. Becoming computer fluent will help you better understand and take advantage of future technologies. Anyone can become computer fluent, no matter what degree of technical expertise. But being computer fluent does not mean you have to know enough to build your own computer or write a program. Regardless of which profession you pursue, if computers are not already in use in that career, they most likely will be soon. So, becoming truly computer fluent will undoubtedly help you perform your job more effectively. By understanding computers and how they work today, you will be able to take advantage of technologies of the future or tomorrow. It also will help make you more desirable as an employee and more likely to earn much and grow your career. Now that we know a little bit about being computer fluent, let's look at the basics of computers. No matter what kind of computer you are using, it is basically a data processing device that performs four major functions. It accepts data as input, it processes data, it outputs information, it stores both data and information. When discussing computers, the distinction between data and information is an important one. Although in a simple conversation, we may use them interchangeably. In computer terms, data is a representation of fact or idea. Data can be a number, a sound recording, a video clip, a piece of text, etc. Unlike humans, computers work exclusively with binary numbers, also known as the base 2 number system. In order to process data, computers must speak in a language they understand, and that is the binary or machine language. Machine language consists of only zeros and ones, and these are called binary digits or bits for short. A unique sequence of 8 bits forms a byte. A byte is the base unit for the measurement of computer data. However, as values increases, prefixes such as kilo, mega, giga, etc. are included. So for instance, 1024 bytes, which is approximately 1000 bytes, becomes 1 kilobyte. The parts of every computer can be broadly classified under the software and the hardware. A computer hardware is any part of the computer that you can physically touch. Because the computer primarily performs 4 main functions, all its hardware components can be grouped under one of these categories. Input devices for input operations, and examples include a keyboard and a mouse. We have output devices for output operations, and the examples include the monitor and a printer. Processing devices are used for processing operations. Examples include the central processing unit, also known as the brain of the computer, and the random access memory, which is called RAM for short. And by RAM, I don't mean the animal RAM. CPUs of today are very fast, and some PCs and Macs come with multiple processors installed. A processor is another name for the central processing unit. Finally, we have the storage devices for storage operations, and this include the hard drives, pen drives, CD and DVD drives. Storage devices store their content on storage media. For instance, the hard drive stores data on the hard disk, floppy drive stores data on the floppy disk, CD and DVD drive store data on CD and DVD ROMs respectively. ROM is the acronym for read-only memory, which means you can only perform a read operation but not a write operation once the data is recorded onto the ROM. If the computer is the brain and the RAM is its memory, then for the software, I will call the blood of the computer. A computer without software is just a piece of nicely molded metal or plastic case. As a human body without blood is dead. Computer software can be grouped into two categories. We have application software and system software. Application software makes your computer perform different tasks. For instance, a word processor software turns your PC into a document processing device. A media player software turns your computer into a video or music box, and so on. So, with application software, we are able to turn the computer into whatever we want. So think of the computer as a magical device which can be turned into any other device just by using application software. As usual, this analogy sounds creepy, but it works. System software intermediates your computer's hardware and your application software. It enables your computer hardware and application software to work together. The operating system, which is known as OS for short, controls the way in which the computer system functions. Resource management and housekeeping tasks are performed by the operating system. The operating system ensures that the memory, the central processing unit, and other resources connected to your computer are efficiently used by the application software installed on the PC. Think of the operating system as the government of the computer system. It ensures order and stability. Once again, this analogy sounds creepy, but it works. Examples of operating systems are the famous Microsoft Windows, the Mac OS, Ubuntu, Red Hat, and the Unix. PC and Mac are general purpose computers. There are other computers called special purpose computers that are designed to perform a specific function. Personal digital assistants, mainframes, supercomputers, tablets, phones, and calculators are all examples of computers. That is all for this week. Thanks for watching our tutorials. Until we meet again, remember to have fun, more fun, and just fun. Once again, it's Prof at Erictronix, and this is Coded. Thank you.